Hello everyone. In today's video, we will cover how to configure Tomcat on Windows Server. Access the Tomcat URL and download the Footprints compatible Tomcat version. Right-click to the Tomcat setup file and run as an administrator. Welcome wizard will open and click on the Next button. Accept the license agreement and select the path of Java and select the install location for Tomcat and click on Install. Once the installation done, click on Finish. Go to the Tomcat installed location. In the bin folder, click on Tomcat setup file. In General tab, set up the server type Automatic and stop the Tomcat service. Click on Logon tab and select the radio button, local system account and apply. Select the Java tab and configure the Java virtual machine. gvm.dll file located under the program file Java JDK folder under the bin. Set the value in Java option depends on the Footprints version. Set up the initial memory pool 4096 and the maximum memory pool should not exceed the 80% of virtual memory. Click on Apply and save the settings. In General tab, restart the Tomcat service. Let's configure the server.xml file. Shut down the Tomcat service and navigate to the Tomcat folder under the configuration. Take the backup of server.xml file and edit the original file. Search for the connector port 8080. And add the attributes depend on the footprint version. Save the server.xml file and restart the service or server. Thank you.